Welcome to the Festival of Flowers. This is the largest outdoor flower show in the entire Southeast, and it happens every year right here in my hometown of Mobile, Alabama. Over 300,000 square feet of exhibits are here. But whether you travel to Mobile or go to a show in your part of the country, this is a great place to pick up some great ideas for your outdoor living space, whether it's decor for your outdoor furniture or maybe a unique display of driftwood. Reflecting the surrounding environment is an important part of developing any outdoor space, and the builder of these birdhouses has a unique perspective on that.
I'm a seventh generation commercial fisherman, and since I could walk, I was on the beaches with my father pulling seines, so I've been around this wood all my life, and it's just absolutely gorgeous stuff. And I started playing with it and building birdhouses, and it kind of blossomed into this. My goal is to make them look as natural as possible, like they grew that way. But of course, I want the birds to come to them. And it's very important that it's all recycled too.
An important goal for many homeowners is creating a tranquil spot to relax, and few things do that as well as a water feature.
A lot of our customers come back and get one for the front yard or the backyard. Even done some in some master bathrooms.
One of the exhibit designers here is also showing a water feature with a different twist, but he believes that every outdoor space is a very individual creation.
Everybody's different, and it's really about what you want. And I think design is the most important thing. I see so many people go and just start buying plants and putting them in, and remember, right plant, right place. You know, we look at maximum height and maximum width on plants, and you know, if a tree gets 100 feet tall, let's don't plant that underneath the power line. You know, if your sago palm gets 10 feet wide, let's don't put that by the front door. Right plant, right place.
But since they don't have actual clients for these displays, where do these designers get the inspiration for their exhibits?
Here we had a little help in the fact that this is a garden event, and we were actually asked to pick a country or region to landscape. Some homeowners are fond of one particular area over another. And many folks just want an area to relax, to kind of escape their everyday world, if you will. In Japanese, in this case, it's just a very soothing garden. A lot of color, a lot of relaxation.
So many great ideas, from adding color with seasonal plants and flowers to creating an entertainment space with pavers, or hey, maybe add a water feature for a conversation piece. The ideas that you can get from a show like this will be springing up in your mind like flowers.